Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to delete your clips on YouTube mobile. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, and open YouTube and click on right corner your avatar profile and scroll down and click on your clips. Alright, these all your clips and sort by most recent, most view, and click on three dots, help and feedback, and search your name, clips, and translate your TV, AirPlay, Bluetooth device, link with TV code, and learn more. Alright, and search your clip and click on three dots right corner and share or delete clip, and click on delete. Permanently delete this clip and cancel or delete forever, and click on delete forever and your clip deleted. Alright, that's all.